question is, what out of these things do I prioritize? Right? And in Cha Cha, we talked about if I'm making a Cha Cha choreography, I'm concerned with the musical structure. I use phrasing to organize it. We are concerned with spatial structure. We are concerned with content, right? And content, I said, for me is way more flexible. I go by what the couple is like, or what other people will consider good dance, and you simply don't know. So you have to do what you like, and then you have to like what you do. And that's the only thing that matters. You understand the difference? So you listen to yourself, you do whatever the hell you want, and then once that's done, you don't doubt it anymore. So therefore I say, do what you like, then like what you do. That's when I do this routine, I like it. I enjoy doing it. So there are reasons for it that I'm sharing with you, but in the end, it's fun for me. And then you watch it, you get infected by it. Right? So in the end of the day, that's what's going to be important. So for me, when I dance, and this maybe we'll talk about it again, my personal priority is weight and music. These are the two things that I kick out on completely. Like I can tell you where I am, and even if I can't, I feel it. So this informs a lot of the way I dance. For you, it can be whatever. But this is what I would say, sounds a bit cliche, but your passion about your work is what's going to decide if it's going to be good or not. Yeah? That's good, thank you. A different limitation. Normal basic steps, still a cha-cha. You might be surprised. Right, and of course, because this is a full choreography, there's a lot of things here to talk about, technique-wise. I'm trying to stay on track, but here, there's a lot of things we can work on together. If I try to stay on track and we talk about choreography, I have a couple of questions for you. We did this in blocks, right? In blocks of 8 bars. Most of the time we coincided a picture and an idea with the flow in the music, with phrasing, we put it into 8 bars. Not every time, right? So where you have the that's not phrase, right? So it's not none of this is a hard rule, just ideas. So we have these few different blocks. How many blocks did we do? Was it 6? I don't know either. I'm just asking in case somebody see the space design in choreography. That's not only for choreography. This is also a competition strategy, right? Where you have these ideas, and the point is, especially those of you who do dance in these finals, these people, including the judges, but mostly the audience. I personally feel that the audience role these days is either diluted or by the dancers oftentimes underestimated, right? Because in the end of the day, if you get a standing ovation, which really to this day when I dance, that's my goal. Whether I win or not, that is not always up to me. I have not so much control over it. But if I dance, or it's not about me, if you dance in a way that in a comp where you are not winning, you get a standing ovation. You, not the first, not the second, you. Then you have a much better chance of being second today and first next month. You understand? So this idea of connecting to the audience, that is massive, not only from the artistic point of view, but also from competitive point of view. And if you ask different people, they'll have different tools how to achieve it. And for me, without any shadow of a doubt, if you are able to find a connection to the music in some sort of way, you are well on your way. You have a much better chance. Because again, music is the only thing we all share. It's the only thing is a shared experience between all of the people in the room. I said before, the judges, they have a completely different experience from you. They're standing there, cold, hungry, cold, annoyed at the whole thing. They have nothing in common with you. You come, you do your thing, you are young, whatever. You dance, you leave. Right? Audience also, completely different experience. The only thing you all have in common, we all have in common is the music.